Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So today the date is, ma'am, Sangeeta ma'am, please mute everybody. Yes, so let's start with the date of today. Today is 11 of February 2021, and the day is Thursday. Look at the picture, all of you. I am sharing a picture to you in which the date is written in this blue box 1111. February 2021 is the month and the year, and the day is TH for Thursday, right? So, when we will do our homework in our notebooks, we need to write the date on the left side every time, right? Okay. So, today the date is 11th of February 2021, and the day is Thursday, right? Now, everybody, please stand up. Please stand up for the prayer. Yes. Stand up, join your hands, and close your eyes. Yes. Very good. Let's start with the Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhur Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhur Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvaswaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Shanti 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 Om. Open your eyes. Yes. Now we will do thank you God prayer, right? Thank you God for the world so sweet. Thank you God for the food we eat. Thank you God that the birds are flying. Thank you God for everything. Thank you God. We should say thank you to God every day, every morning, right? For what we eat, for what we see during the day, for the new morning, right? Okay, now everybody, please stand up on the floor. It's exercise time, right? Everybody needs to stand up on the floor. Yes, very good. I can see everybody. Very nice. Okay, let's start then. Yes, first of all, we will do some warm-up. Straight your hands above your head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Now you have to make a fist with your hands. You have to make a fist, right? Above your head. Yes, you need to move your face round and round, right? Now in front of you. Yes. Now in open arms. Very good. Now down. Very good. Very good. Now take the support, everybody. Take the support. We need to put our one foot over the another leg. Try to balance ourselves first. Right? Please take the support of the wall. Please take the support. No one will do without taking the support. You will fall down. Right? Please take the support first. You need to put your one foot over the another leg. Then try to balance. After that, you have to do a namaste above your head. Very good. Relax. Once again, we will try. We need to put our one foot over the another leg and try to do a namaste above your head. Very good. Very good, everyone. Yes, now relax. Now straighten your hands above your head and down and touch your toes. Once again, straighten your hands above your head and down and touch your toes. Very good. Now put your hands on your waist. Open your legs. Yes, put your hands on your waist. Now you need to move your waist round and down, right? Now anti-clockwise. Yes, very nice. Yes. Now take your right hand to the left side and bend your waist. And your left hand to the right side above your head. Right? We need to do it for 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. Now open your legs a bit wider. Open your legs. We need to touch our right feet with the left hand. And we need to touch our left feet with the right hand. Crisscross, right? Crisscross. We need to do it for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good, everyone. Now the last one. You need to take the support with one hand and you need to take your leg upward. One leg upward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's it. Very good. Very good, everyone. Yes. Now, please take your place. Sit down at your seats. Yes. Now, relax and do breathe in and breathe out with ma'am.
Breathe in. My voice is coming?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. All my babies, good afternoon. Now, everybody join your hands. Join your hands. Rub your palm. Rub your palm. Very nice. Very nice. Keep on rubbing. Now, give the warmth of your palm to your eyes. Touch your eyes. Very good. Touch your face. Touch your face, everyone. Good. Touch your throat. Very nice. Now, touch your full body. Full body. Now, we are feeling energetic, relaxed, ready for the class. Everyone, मैम बात नहीं कर पा रही थी ना 3 days से आप सबसे. मैम बहुत मिस कर रही थी सबको. ठीक है? Yes, now we are ready for the class. Shruti ma'am will ask you for few questions. Yes, I know. And you know what? Shruti ma'am is having few questions for you. After that, Nishtha ma'am will take one oral surprise test. Okay? Yes, over to you, Shruti ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so yesterday we have circled the cool things out, right? We have done a worksheet in which we have to circle the cold things, right? Now today we are doing this with the hot objects, right? So we have to circle the objects which are too hot, right? So I will ask the questions, right? Okay, tell me, Pehel, is the ice cream hot?
No.
Yes, no. Now, the second one is a fire. Is this hot?
Yes.
Yes, this is hot. Okay, now Adira will tell me, the donut is a hot object or a cold object? Adira?
Good.
Cold. Very good. Now, the next one is a tea. Hot tea. It's hot or cold, Adira? Is it a hot object or a cold object?
Hot object.
Yes, it's very hot. Right? Now the next one is for Charvi. Charvi, tell me the next one. The sun. Is it hot or cold?
Hot.
Hot. Very right. Very good. Now the next one is for Shriti. The iron is hot or cold, Shriti? Do you know?
Hot.
Hot. Very good. It is very hot. Now Shakti will tell me. Shakti, this is a candle. Candle is hot or cold?
बताओ मैम को कैंडल, ये बोलो, बताओ मैम को कैंडल हॉट होती है कोल्ड होती है? बोलो, टेल मी, बोलो ना, नहीं बोलो, हॉट होती है कोल्ड होती है कैंडल? टाटा, हाँ हॉट होती है.
Okay. Now Vedika will tell me about the candle. Vedika, is it a hot object or a cold object?
कैंडल हॉट होती है या कोल्ड होती है? मैम पूछ रही है आपसे. क्या
Hot.
फायर होता है ना इसमें? इसमें ये क्या होता है? हॉट होता है या कोल्ड होता है?
Hot. It's a hot object, right? Now the next one is pencil. Pencil. Arohi, tell me, pencil is a cold object or the hot object?
Cold.
Cold. And the last one is an orange. Arohi, you will tell me, is it cold or hot?
नहीं hot नहीं.
Orange is a cold object. Right? Okay. I'm sharing you the next worksheet in which I will ask the question, in which season do we wear these kind of clothes, right? Okay. The first one is a coat. Pehel will tell me, in which season do we wear the coat?
Winter season.
Yes, winter. Now next one is for Agamjeet. Agamjeet, in which season do we wear a cap?
कैप कब पहनते हैं?
ठंडी में. नहीं.
This is a normal cap, not a winter cap.
नहीं. ये कौन पहनता है?
समर.
समर में.
In the summer, when it's very hot outside. Okay, now Avleen will tell me, in which season do we wear cotton clothes or t-shirt, half sleeve t-shirt?
When we wear this t-shirt, which season? Summer or winter? This t-shirt.
Summer.
Louder.
Summer.
Yes, in summer. Yes, now it's for Akshdeep. Akshdeep, in which season do we wear boots?
Winter season में, summer में. कब?
Summer में.
अरे.
Winter में.
Yes, in winters. Okay, now
Winter season.
Krisha will tell me, in which season do we wear a dress? A short frock or a dress? Yes, very good. Very good. Okay. Now Avyan Bose will tell me, In which season do we wear a woolen cap?
वुलन कैप, वुलन कैप कब पहनते हो आप?
सर्दी है।
विंटर
Yes,
से
very good. In winters. In winters, right? Now, Charvi will tell me, in which season do you wear a skirt?
बताओ स्कर्ट कब पहनते हैं? बोलो बोलो।
समर में।
Yes, very good. Okay, now Durvi will tell me, in which season do you wear socks?
विंटर्स में।
बोलो
विंटर्स में।
जोर से बोलो।
विंटर्स में।
Yes, in winters. Very good. Okay, now Riddhi will tell me, Riddhi, in which season do we wear sweaters? Winters. Okay. And Siddhi will tell me, in which season do we wear shorts? Yes. Okay. Now, Savi Pandey will tell me, in which season do we wear the sunglasses?
कौन से सीजन में हम सनग्लासेस पहनते हैं?
सन टाइम।
सन टाइम नहीं बेटा, समर्स।
समर्स।
Summers, right. Okay. Divik will tell me, in which season do you wear jeans? Divik?
वाओ।
Say, answer ma'am. David.
Divik? In which season do you wear jeans? The full clothes?
David say winter season. Winter season.
Okay. Okay, the last one is for Adira. Adira, in which season do we wear shoes? In winter. Very good, everyone. Now we all know about the things we use during every season, right? हम सबको पता है हर सीजन में हम कौन कौन सी चीजें यूज करते हैं, like a cap, sunglasses, t-shirts and skirts we use in summers, and in winters we use woolen caps, sweaters, shoes, right? Okay, very well done all of you. Clapping for everybody. Everybody did very well. Okay.
Yes, Shruti ma'am, my voice is coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in case it
Yes,
gets interrupted, na, you please carry on with your things, okay? Yes,
Yes,
all
ma'am.
my babies, ye dekho, I am having a surprise box. मैम स्कूल में है और मैम के पास एक सरप्राइज बॉक्स है. अब इसमें से सारे बेबीज के लिए एक एक सरप्राइज आने वाला है, जिससे मैम क्वेश्चन पूछेगी वही आंसर करेगा. ओके डन. आई एम स्टार्टिंग विद माय गुड बॉय वेदांत. वेदांत, माय गुड बॉय. Yes. Vedant, which alphabet is this? Surprise for you, जल्दी से.
बताओ कौन सी वाला अल्फाबेट है? इससे क्या होता है? ये क्या होता है? मैंने आपको पढ़ाया था ना.
जल्दी से देखो कौन सा अल्फाबेट है.
ओ वेदांत कंफ्यूज हो रहा है. एम.
सोचो, मेरा नेम ही.
हाँ, ए है, बी है, टी है, एल है, एम है, एन है, ओ है. क्या है ये? एन है ये पक्का. एन पर क्या होता है?
वेरी राइट. ममा गिव हिम अ टॉफी. एन फॉर निष्ठा मैम. इसने पूरा पहचान लिया. वेरी गुड बॉय.
गुड, थैंक यू मैम.
वेरी गुड. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज फॉर वेदिका. वेदिका जल्दी से.
ये कौन सा अल्फाबेट है? सी फॉर क्या होता है?
वेरी गुड. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर सावी पांडे. सावी, next surprise is for you. Tell me the shape.
शेप बताओ. ये कौन सी शेप है? कौन सी शेप है बाबू? बताओ. ये मैम के हाथ में ये कौन सी शेप है बेटा? बताओ।
अच्छा कलर बता दो जल्दी से, मुझे कलर बता दो। रेड। ओके, टेल मी व्हिच शेप इज दिस नाउ?
Blue.
शेप बताओ, शेप।
Circle.
Very good girl. Now next question is for Pehel. Pehel quickly. Yes Pehel, आपके लिए एक सरप्राइज है। Which mode of transport is this? Tell me jaldi se, which mode? Aeroplane is which type of transport? Air, water or land?
Airboat.
Air transport. Very good. My next question is for Durvi. Yes Durvi, which type of transport is this? Name this transport.
What is this movie?
Jaldi se batao. Durvi knows this.
Helicopter.
Helicopter. Helicopter is air transport. Very good girl. Now my next question is for, yes, Avyan Bose. Very smart boy Avyan. Avyan, tell me mode of transport.
कौन सा ट्रांसपोर्ट है? लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट, एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट?
Land transport.
हाँ।
Land transport. And what is the name of this?
है क्या ये?
The गाड़ी.
Say in English.
Car.
कार से कार।
Very good. Now my next surprise, मैं बॉक्स में से निकाल रही हूँ, बॉक्स को shuffle करके। आदिरा. Adira, which number?
9.
9. Very good. Next question is for Agamjeet. Agamjeet, which alphabet?
बताओ।
F for fish.
F F
F for fish.
F for? F
Fish.
for? Very good. Next question comes for Avleen Kaur. Avleen Kaur, which alphabet?
An.
Very nice.
Whoa.
R. What is the phonic sound of R?
What the phonic sound of R?
जल्दी से
बोलो, जल्दी बोलो।
R. Ra. R.
Ra.
Ra.
Yes.
Next question is for Shriti. Shriti is there? Shriti, which alphabet? Shriti, do you know alphabet? Shriti.
Yes.
Okay, Siddhi. Now next is Siddhi. Siddhi, which alphabet?
Umbrella.
You. Very good. Riddhi. Now Riddhi. Riddhi, which alphabet? Jaldi se. H. Now next is for Arohi Raj. Arohi, which alphabet? जल्दी जल्दी से, फिर पढ़ाई करेंगे। पहले मैम सरप्राइज टेस्ट ले रही है।
जल्दी पहले मैम को बता बेटा।
आरोही,
लिख के नहीं, बोल के बताना है। क्या है? A B C। और आगे क्या है ये? जल्दी। D D।
Now my favorite Divik. Divik, my good boy. Very good. Charvi Gupta. Charvi, जल्दी से। अच्छा, कृष्णा जल्दी से छोटे बेबी को बता दो। कृष्णा is there? कृष्णा, you
Yes, बोलो क्या है? Which alphabet is this, baby?
P.
P for
Jet.
wait, for parrot.
P for parrot.
Yes,
P for
next is
parrot.
Ayansh. Ayansh, tell me the shape.
शेप बताओ।
Yes, ma'am.
शेप क्या है?
Shape.
जोर से बोलो।
Triangle.
Triangle. Very good. One more child is there. Adira. Adira. Number. Jaldi say, which number?
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
My screen is not coming.
Now it's
Are
coming.
you able to see?
Tell now which number
Yes,
is this?
ma'am.
Which number, Adira?
Ma'am, again it has gone.
Okay, no problem. Some network issue is there. My screen
Yes,
is visible to you?
now,
Shruti
yes.
ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, visible.
Okay, it's 2. Now next question is for Shakti. Shakti is there? Shakti, you need to unmute.
बोलो मैम को
क्या
कौन सा
चीज़ है?
नंबर है?
Number
नंबर कौन सा है?
Which number?
6.
Which
जोर से
number?
बोलो, 6 जोर से बोलो.
6.
Very good. Tarannum is there. Tarannum, are you there, beta? Tarannum is one child. It's mentioned. Okay. Okay. A clapping, a big clap for everyone. कोई भी बच्चा नहीं रहा ना? श्रुति रह गई थी. श्रुति, are you left? Tell me.
नंबर
जल्दी
है
से
ये.
बताओ.
3.
Very good. Now, a big clapping. It was a surprise test. जो एक सरप्राइज बॉक्स में से सबके लिए निकल के आया था. A big round of applause for everyone. सबको टॉफी मिलेगी आज. मामा प्लीज, सारे बेबीज ने ठीक आंसर दिया, उनको टॉफी दे देना. वेरी गुड, वेल डन. यस, संगीता मैम, ओवर टू यू नाउ.
Yes, all my babies, take out your math notebook. Yes, Shruti ma'am, my voice is coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all my babies, take out your math notebook. Today we are doing revision of 1 to 20 counting. 1 to 20 counting. So take out your math notebook. Yes, all babies are ready? Okay. Today we are doing revision of 1 to 20 counting. Right? Okay, counting start from which number? 1. We will write 1, 2. And what comes after 2? 3. Now next number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what comes after 4? 5. After 5, which number will come? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6, 7. Now next number 8. And what comes after 8? 9. And last 1, 0, 10. You need to write vertically, top to bottom, 1 to 10. Yes, write first, write 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First, you have to write 1 to 10 counting. Yes, write it 1 to 10.
Very good, Pehel.
Yes, ma'am, you asked something?
Yes, Vedant, what happened? Write it 1 to 10 counting.
Vedant, ma'am कह रही है, do you know what is this? Do you know what ma'am has written? ये क्या किया मैम ने? मैम ने क्या किया? 1 to 10 लिखा है ना? You know 1 to
Very
10?
good, Animash. Very good, Arohi.
Yes, Vedant. Write it. Yes, Shriti, doing good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Shall we start next? After 10. After 10, 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. Now next, 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. After 12, which number will come? 1, 3. 13. 1, 3, 13. Now next, 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 11, 12, 13, 14. And what comes after 14? 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. After 15, which number will come? 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. Now next, 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. And what comes after 17? 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. After 18, which number will come? 1, 9, 19. And last 20, 20. Again 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Write 11 to 20.
Ma'am, I have video completed.
Yes, Abhyan. Very good. Very good.
Very good, Devik.
Yes, all babies doing very good. And write, always write vertically. First, you have to write 1 to 10 in one line. Now, 11 to 20.
Yes. Yes, very good, Savi Pandey. Very good.
Wait. Where's gone everyone? You have done?
I have done.
Very good, Avleen Kaur. Very beautiful. Very good, Shriti.
Very good, Aruhi.
Very good, everyone. Complete the counting 1 to 20. We have 1 more minute to complete. Very good, Adira. Very beautiful. Good girl. Yes, Charvi, have you completed? Very good, Pehel.
Very good, Charvi. Very good, Pehel. Now, all my babies, orally, you all know 1 to 40. Okay, so tomorrow, ma'am will take a surprise test of maths. Ma'am ले भी सकती हैं, okay? जैसे आज मैम ने एक सरप्राइज बॉक्स ओपन किया और सबके लिए एक सरप्राइज पजल्स आई उसमें क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, राइट? So now every day, now February has started, every day one little exam I will take, okay? Yes, now everybody stand up, stop writing and say goodbye to your ma'am.